Okay. Write an equation for a line passing through the given points in a standard xy coordinate plane. When x equals -9 in this equation, then y needs to equal 7, and then likewise when x is 3, y needs to have an output of 3. Now first off, let's conceptualize what we're doing. I don't do this for all problems, just this first one. So I'll go back 9 up 7, and I'll go right 3 up 3. I mean, that's about ballpark. Now there's your equation. It is a line. To write an equation for a line, we start with y equals mx plus b. Okay? So m and b. M is known as the slope. That's the multiplier of the x. And b is the y-intercept. Okay, so my slope is expressed as y minus y, x minus x. Okay? Okay, so the higher, -9 and 3. Okay, so 3, 3. Then 7, -9. So it's -4. 3 plus 9 is 12. Okay, so -4 divided by 12, yeah, that's a crap show decimal. Second PRB, that it's -1/3. So -1/3 is your slope. Yeah, it makes sense. Those would have both been divided by 4. So -1/3. So to find the y-intercept, which we don't know, that would be your y-intercept, but I have no idea where it's at. Okay, I mean, it's probably between the 7 and the 3, I would guess, somewhere. So y equals m times x plus b. So m -1/3. Then I'll use the 7 -9 point. What the heck? Okay. B plus, so -1, we know it's going to be a positive, and it's going to be 3. Taking a third times 9 is 3. It's the same as 9 divided by 3, which is 3. Okay, then subtract your 3, and 4 equals B. So I think that's the answer. Now let's test it. You can always test an equation. -1 ABC3 times -9, and then hit plus 7. When you click equals, okay, or no, sorry, that was wrong. -1, forget what I said there. Punch in -1/3 times, and then replace the x with -9, and then plus the 4. When you click equals, you should get 7. Remember when I said if you put -9 in for x, you need to get an output of 7. Now let's try the other one, the 3. So -1/3 times 3, and then plus 4. That needs to give me an output of 3. That was a 3 there, and it is 3. So that's got to be right. Okay, next problem. Write an equation for the line passing through the given points in a standard xy coordinate plane. Okay, so xy, xy. So y equals blank x plus blank. So mb. M is your slope, and b is your y-intercept. So the slope, y minus y, x minus x. Okay, so you would start with, put your -5 over your 3, and then the 15 over the -2. I like to always start with the coordinate that has a higher x value. So this is -20 on top. Now on bottom plus plus, and that's 5. Now you divide those, you get a nice solid integer, -4. Some people are like, do you have to put that over 1 since it's a slope? No, not if you don't have to graph it. You don't. Okay, just use the integer. So b, y equals m times x plus b. Okay, so the m is -4, and I'll pick one of these. I'll put -5 in for y, 3. -12 plus 12 plus 12, 7 equals b. Okay. Now let's make sure that's accurate by taking -4 times 3 and adding 7. When I click equals, I better get -5. Now, -4 times -2 plus 7. When I click equals, I should get 15, and I do.